This subsidiary of Coal India is launching its IPO and holds a 58% market share in a key ingredient, without which India's steel industry cannot survive. The company I am talking about is Bharat Coking Coal, and the IPO for this company opens for subscription on 9th January and closes on 13 January 2026 with a price band set between 21 to 23 rupees per share. Firstly, let's understand how this company actually works. Unlike thermal coal used for power, BCCL mines coking coal, which is a critical material used for making steel. The company also operates a network of 34 operational mines across India, and its coal production has increased from 30 million tons in FY22 to 40 million tons in FY25, representing a 32.7% increase. Coming to the financials, firstly, the revenue has slipped around 3% from 14,245 crore rupees in FY24 to 13,802 crore rupees in FY25. PAT decreased 20% from 1,564 crore rupees in FY24 to 1,240 crore rupees in FY25. A few strengths of the company are: it's the largest coking coal producer in India with access to 10 large reserves. It has strategically located mines with large washeries, and it has strong parentage of Coal India Limited. While a few risks to consider are: the company's business largely depends upon its top 10 customers, there is growing dependence on renewable energy, and most of the coking coal the company produces is of lower grade. Finally, this is a 100% offer for sale. The company will not receive any fresh capital to improve operations, and the proceeds will entirely go to the selling shareholders. And that's about it. Let us know in the comments if you are applying or skipping this IPO.